Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be replacing the battery on this remote. You're going to want to click on this button, remove the key. You're going to shove your flathead screwdriver right in this slot right here. Just slowly pry up on it, and then you can remove the rest of it with your hand, and it'll expose the battery underneath. Just go ahead and use that same flathead screwdriver and just pop it right off. You're going to want to put the new battery in, positive side facing up. You're going to be able to tell because it's going to have that plus sign up on top. The one without any wording or lettering is going to go underneath. Just push it in, and then you're going to want to find this little slot at the front of the remote. It's going to look like a small little slit, and then you're going to match the cover to that slot. And what you're going to want to do is slide that in first, just hold it in place, and then go ahead and press firmly on the back side till you hear that click. Then you just got to put in the remote key, and you're good to go. Don't forget to like if you like the video and subscribe.